Hey, I'm Carrera. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I make videos about all things fashion, lifestyle, and luxury, so welcome. If this is not your first time here, hey girl, hey, welcome back. So, today's video, I'm so excited to do, oh my gosh. So, I've been saving and waiting and waiting and saving up to get this video. It's gonna double as an unboxing and initial review, I guess, because I can't review it because I just got it. So I was so anxious to get this that as soon as I got it, I just filmed the unboxing, but I wasn't cute. I was in like a sweatshirt and hat, and yeah, it was just a mess. So I filmed the unboxing part. I'm going to insert the clip of the unboxing, and we're going to come back and I'm going to do the review. Okay? All right. But before I switch over to the clip of the unboxing, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll know every time that I drop a video. It's aimed to be every Thursday, but sometimes life just happens and it doesn't work out that way. So hit that notification bell just so that you'll know. Okay, now we're going to get into the clip of me doing the unboxing. Okay, so y'all see what it is? This is the Gucci Dionysus in the size small, with the tan or taupe suede. Y'all, so I still got the tag on it because it's brand new. It just came in the mail yesterday. So this is her. Isn't she cute? Let me just take it off. I'm keeping it, so let's take this tag off. Alright. I'm so excited for this, y'all, because I haven't bought, if you saw like my SLG collection, you'll know like I haven't purchased much for myself in a minute. So I was so excited to buy this. This is like a treat to myself because when I haven't bought anything for myself in a while, in terms of luxury, shall I say. I've been buying stuff, but not so much as luxury in a while. So I got it from the Gucci site. So it's a chain bag. It has a short chain. It can't be. So you have to wear it like a shoulder bag, or you can wear it doubled up. Unless you have a very petite frame, it cannot be worn as a crossbody. It's gonna be up here. If you've seen any reviews of this bag, everybody lets you know it's not a crossbody bag, which I'm fine with. I'm not heavy on the crossbodies, so that's okay with me. I just needed like a medium-sized bag that was like a neutral color, because I think currently all my purses are pretty much black, and I do have like one this Chloe bag that's like a dark tan color, so and it's like suede, so it doesn't go with everything. So I got this because I'm like, it's very neutral, very versatile, and it can go with a lot. So very excited about this. If you saw in the unboxing clip, I was struggling to get the tab open because I didn't realize that it's like a little clasp that you have to hit here, and then that's how it opens. So it's not just a rip open. You gotta hit the clasp, like a little button here, and then that's how you get it open. So with the small size, I opted to go for this because the medium, it just looked, that's the next size up, and I think it's the largest size. It just looked too big, and I'm not really that small of a girl. I'm 5'5", so it would fit, but it's like I just didn't want anything too huge, just because my purpose for this is I don't think I'm not gonna carry it like every day, like, but like when I'm going out to brunch or with a little bit of going out there we are doing right now because COVID is still here. But brunch, running errands, like nothing too crazy. So this size is just like a perfect size for me. Like if I wanted something bigger, it'd be more so like a work bag, and I didn't really want something for work. This is more for like my life outside of work. So that's why I opted for this size. As you see, it has the coated canvas as the majority of the material, and then you have the suede panel here on the front, suede interior, and then like the sides, like this accordion style side, this part is suede as well. So when you open up the bag, I still got the tissue in it. I took most of the tissue off yesterday when I unboxed it, you saw in the video, but I left the tissue inside, which I'll probably keep inside when I'm not using the bag. You see it's like a double compartment. So you got a front compartment and a back compartment. Also, well, actually not a double. It's just like split in two, but then you got this middle compartment, which is like a zip. And then you have the inside. This is just the care cards. For some reason, they put 3D Jones in here. And I thought, well, maybe they all in different languages. No, it's just 3 care cards in here for some reason. I don't know. And then up front, you have another compartment if you lift the suede part. And then you could put something in here if you wanted to. Now I see a lot of people who complain about the middle part because they feel like it limits the amount of things you put in here. Like a lot of the videos I saw, people didn't like that they had the middle part, but I personally don't mind. I'm not like I don't super stuff my purses anyway. You'll actually see have a video coming out, if it hasn't dropped already. I'm reviewing Rebecca Minkoff Chevron Love Crossbody. I think that's what it's called. If it's not, I'm going to put it on the screen what the correct name is. But basically, you'll see the type of stuff that I carry in that bag. Like, I don't carry a super large amount of stuff in my purse anyway. So, this having 2 separate parts is not really bothering me. But it's all about what you're into, what type of lifestyle you live, what you're carrying. But I saw one woman who just had a baby, and she carries her stuff in one part and her baby stuff in the other part. So, it could work. I guess it's just, you know what you into. So yeah, if you know me, if you've been following me, I'm not one that really follows trends. So I don't view this as a trendy bag. I see this as a classic because this has actually been out for a minute. Because when I first saw it, I wasn't like jumping to get it. Like I actually had other bags on my mind, on the forefront. I wanted to get actually the Saint Laurent Lulu bag, but for some reason, it's just this when I started seeing this a lot more, and not as I didn't get it as a trendy piece, but it's like started appealing to me more. Like I think I watched a review. It was Jeronica Macia. I was watching one of her reviews, and she actually has the medium, and she has the size right below this. I think it's like the nano. I forget. I'll put it on the screen, but she has those two. And she was comparing those, and I was like, I like the style, but I don't think I want anything as big as the medium or as small as the nano. So when I saw the small, I started watching reviews on the small. I watched a lot of reviews. So this is how I know this bag was for me, because I watched a bunch of videos, and I saved up for this as well. So I was like, you know what? It's meant for me to have. So here, girl. I'm sorry, I'm just a little lost for words. I'm so excited that I finally got this bag. I've been eyeing it for a minute now. I guess I can't give a full review of it because I haven't used it yet, but this is just an initial review. But if you have any questions about it, feel free to leave them below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And maybe after I use this for about 6 months, I can give an update to let you know how it's holding up. If I still love it, I'll regret buying it, or if I don't, but I highly doubt that I will, because look at her. Look at her. She's so cute. And if you know me, I'm always late to the game with things. Like I said, this bag has been out for a minute now, but I don't care because I'm not here for the trends. I'm here for the classics, what I like, and I like this, and it's classic. So, So as I mentioned before, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my next video.